Hi guys, hope you all are well. Thank you for tuning in. So this is really weird because I've ended my Lockdown Glam series. We are out of lockdown now, so I thought end it. There's no point. Everyone's out and about now. But I thought I want to keep making videos for you guys. So I thought I would do videos that mean something to me, also videos that you guys want to see. So I thought my first one should be on black owned beauty brands. I want to get their names out there. I want to support them. I want to champion them. So I've done a lovely makeup look for you. I think this one that I've done is like a neutral, fresh, daytime, come evening, pink, smoke. Anyway, whatever it is, I thought I would do a nice tutorial on black owned branded makeup for you. If you guys like my videos, please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below. I hope you enjoy it. So I was lucky enough to discover a company called Epara. They're Nigerian, and this is actually a cleanser, but I like to use it as an oil serum just before I put my base on, funny enough. I like oils on my face. It just really hydrates my skin. And you find black skin tends to be super dry after you wash the face, and it will look white. So we need oils and moisturizers. We can't get away with not putting anything on our skin. Fenty Beauty, they have some lovely matchsticks. I've got some more here. Can you see? Now I like to, oh, can you hear that wind? It's like really howling. It's really windy today. So this matchstick is like a bullet form, and this one is called a truffle. Now this is a concealer, but I actually like to use it as a foundation. And you see, this is my perfect shade as well. You don't always need to use the product what it's meant for. If you find a better use for it, or it suits you somewhere else, why not use it for that? So I just literally swig this whole bullet across my face. I like to use a little kabuki brush and then just buff it in. And because it's a concealer and not a foundation, it's even more lightweight, so it looks more natural on my skin. So it's a win-win situation for me here with this one. And I like to get into all of the nooks and crannies. Don't forget to go underneath your eyes. Let's tilt my chin back for that. And can you see it's like a nice chocolatey colour, and it just really suits me. And I have to go underneath my chin because I've got lots of scars and horrible marks underneath my chin because I used to pick all the time. And I just find this is perfect for covering them up. I think I would just pop in with Fenty Beauty's matchstick again. So I'm actually going to use this one as a concealer. This again is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. This one's called Suede. So I'm just going to tap underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to use a soft blending sponge, and I'm just going to dab the product through. So I like it always a little bit lighter underneath my eyes, and that just basically gives it a nice uplift look. Right, I'm going to go into Nude Beauty's Arusha palette, and I'm going to go into the colour called Jabari, which is a lovely chocolatey brown. I'm just going to swipe a bit of the colour on with a small, oh, just dropped my brush. Okay, let me get another one. Hygiene, you know. So I'm going to just pop a little bit of this super dark chocolate shade, and I'm going to go on my lids only. It's a really nice, deep, dark brown. Looks gorgeous. If I didn't say before, I'm using the Spectrum brush range. Just love their brushes. Check them out. They've got some really nice, colourful brushes. I'm just going to swig this across and then just blend it a little bit as I go under the outer corner. Can you see it's like a nice, smoky, dark brown. Talking about brushes, so another black owned brand, if you want to clean your makeup brushes perfectly, this company, Amel, is fantastic. Now, I don't normally rave about brush cleaners because half the time they don't work, but this one, it actually gets your brushes super clean, smells super good as well, smells like really citrusy, and you can use it on sponges and your brushes look brand new after. So again, found this lovely black owned brand. Perfect. So I'm going to go underneath my eyes with that same Jabari colour. I'm going to give myself a lovely soft smoke. I'm going to use a small angled brush, and I'm just going to work the colour from the outer corner and then just going to bring it through like that. Okay, so let me just do that side. So to always start on the outer corner and then just bring the colour through. Right, okie dokie, what's up next? Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go for this brand new company called TWOK, TWOK, and this goldy colour, which I'm gonna pop, I think, on the centre of my lids, is called London Ting, like that, like from that song. So let me pop a little bit of this on. Never tried this brand before, so this will be a first for me. So I'm gonna literally just pop a little bit on the centre. Actually, let me put it on the back of my hands first. I always recommend, oh, this is a lovely gold. Just put it on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna go a little bit into the centre. Oh, nice. You see, it just gives it that lovely shimmer. Nice. Oh, it looks really nice with the chocolate brown from Mood Beauty. Okay, let's go on that side. Kind of like the back of my hand more than I do in my eyes. It's just really nice. It's got a really nice intensity. Let's add a little bit more. Gorgeous. This looks beautiful. Nice one. Well done, TWOK. That looks good. Might put a little bit of that colour, the gold, on the inner corner. Let's put it right here. You see, just really nice. Same company, TWOK, have come out with a really nice liquid liner called Dark Matter, and this one is super black, because it's always hard to find a black for dark skins, but obviously they've got it right. They're black owned, so they should know what they're doing. And it's got a really nice nib to the pen. It's like a felt tip pen, so the colour just glides on really easy. Right, I'm going to curl my lashes. Unfortunately, I haven't found an eyelash curler brand that is black owned. Not yet anyway. I'm sure there will be one soon. So in the meantime, I will have to use my trusted lovey Kevyn Aucoin lash curlers. Anyone knows of any black owned brand lash curler companies? Please comment below, send me a message, I'd love to know. Or send me a message on Instagram. Oh, by the way, Instagram is Pauline Briscoe if you want to find me there. Right, as you probably have seen in a lot of my videos, I've used Lash Magnifique range of lashes. I really do like their lashes again. They are a black owned brand. Give them some support, people. Her lashes are beautiful. If I can find my tweezers. Oh, see another one. Come on. Come out with some tweezers, black owned tweezers, please. These are Tweezermen. Do love these, by the way. They actually have my name engraved on them, so yeah, I'm super bougie now. So these are Chloe lashes. They're just really nice, really light, really fluttery. I do love their lashes, and again, I'm gonna have to use a lash glue that isn't black owned. Please, people, let me know if you know of any glues, eyelash curlers, tweezers that are black owned. That would be perfect. So I'm going to use duo glue on these lashes. Now I found a lovely brow range. They are American. It's a guy called Damone Roberts. I actually found him, God, like over 10 years ago. So Kelly Rowland uses him all the time. She goes to his eyebrow studio. Now, I wanted to show you this one. I'm not going to actually use it. So this is a powder form, and it's a duo. And guess what? It actually broke. Look, I've only got half of the powder left. I just really love his brow stuff, but this came off. It's so annoying. But I just wanted to show you the logo if you want to check out Damone Roberts' range. I'm going to use his pencil in Minx, and it's like a really nice dark brown. Like kind of like a 1B if you're going to have a weave or anything. So it's like an off black colour, but it just really suits my skin tone. I was really annoyed that that powder broke like that. So I like to go from the inner corner of the brow and work the colour across. So this Damone Roberts, he's been going for donkey's years. He's actually amazing. You need to check him out. But he's super successful because he's like the eyebrow god of LA. So I'm going to use a lovely flat brush like that. And then I'm just going to pop a little bit of this Fenty Beauty matte stick, tilt my chin, go underneath my brow bone, start from the inner corner. So this is your inner corner. And then just work the concealer across. And it just gives my brows a nice, sharp definition, defined look. This makes them look like they've been threaded, because I like polished brows on me, because I don't have loads of brow. I think I'm overcompensating by giving my fake brows more definition. And then just get a blending brush like that, and then just buff away any harsh lines, and then just let it blend through your eyeshadow. And you see, perfect. It just gives more of a defined brow look, which I love. So I'm going to use Brow Fix. Now, Neelam is Asian. I think she's fully Asian. She could be Asian mixed, but I don't care. She is a person of colour, a POC. So I'm going to go in with her Brow Fix serum, and I'm just going to use just a little drop. So it's like a nice little glass serum bottle. You need to check her out. She has some lovely brow pencils too. And I'm just going to pop a little bit on with the spoolie, and I'm just going to brush it through my brows, and that way it just fixes your brows in place all day. Not going to move. Can't rave enough about Neelam's products. They're amazing. You know what? After seeing my eyes, I'm loving them, but because I'm wearing pink today, I'm going to chuck a little bit of this Fenty Ginger Binge Moscow Mule Kilowatt eyeshadow palette. I want to go in. Come on, I want to get these black brands out there. So I'm going to use a little bit of the sparkly shade. Can you see there? That one. I'm just going to dip in, and I'm just going to put it on the inner corner of my lids. Yes, just gives it a little bit extra blend through. It's always nice to put about 3 different shades of eyeshadow on the lids. And I'm wearing pink today, which is my favourite colour. So I want to have a pop of pink. Who's heard of the beautiful woman that is Iman? So Iman was a famous model, was married to David Bowie. She came out with her own range of products for black skins, because I don't know if you look back at some photos of her back in the day, her skin looked grey. She looks dodgy. So she had enough, and she decided to come out with makeup for black skin tones. And I've always used Iman products as soon as it came out. I just love her range. Used to use it on me first, and now I use it on a lot of my black clients, especially the celebrities. They do love Iman. So this is one of her lovely bronzing powders. Now, a lot of people always find it hard to find bronzing powders for darker skin tones, but obviously Iman knows what she's doing. So check her out. Her range is good. So I'm just buffing a little bit of this bronzing powder around my shiny bits. So my shiny bits are always chin, which I don't mind so much, but I don't want it too shiny. Just from the corners of my nose here, like this. Lovely. Can you see? It just gives me a nice warmth to my skin. Then, talking of Iman, I'm going to go in with a couple of her blushes. Now, I had a really lovely blush of hers. Why does my stuff break all the time? It's not fair. This was my favourite one. This one's called Sable. I can't even open it. I'm scared to open it because I just don't want it to go everywhere. Look at that. All broken. Lovely chocolate contour this would have been. You can use it on your cheeks, or you can use it as a nice chocolate contour. But unfortunately it broke, which is annoying. But she's got some lovely shades of blushes. So this one's called Strawberry and this one's called Trust. Let me just pop them open to show you. I'm going with these 2 bright popping colours because I've got a pink outfit on and I think it will work really nice. So I just smile like that and then just swirl the blushes onto the apples of my cheek only, like that. This wind, what's going on? Can you hear that? Oh, crazy. I live in a really windy hill area. It's just really annoying. It sounds like a scary movie sometimes. Okay, so I'm going to pop a little bit of Rochelle Humes' High Glow. It's a nice serum. She's got a lovely range of glowy products on the market. And I'm going to mix a little bit in. I'm going to use a little blending brush. I'm going to mix a little bit of my Fenty Beauty's Shimmer Sticks. Now, I want to have both. Why not? I'm going to go with rum and cinnamon. So these, again, are bullet shaped. So one's like a really nice goldy shimmer colour and one's more of a rose. I'm just going to pop a little bit of both of them on the back of my hands. Now, these matchsticks are magnetic, so it just holds together like that. And then I'm going to mix it through with the glow drops, and it just gives it that nice dewy look. And I'm just going to just pat a little bit onto my cheekbones so it will stay nice and glowy, nice and dewy, with a little bit of shimmer colour through it. Right, so I am onto the lips, I am going to start off with, where are you, Pat? Here we are. So I'm going to use Pat McGrath Labs Blood 2 lipstick, which is a super dark wine stained colour. And I'm actually going to use this as a outer lip liner. So I'm going to start just on the Cupid's bow and then just work it across like that. Hopefully you can see this properly. Just go up a little bit. I don't know why I'm saying her for lipstick anyway. And I'm just going to bring the colour across. It's always hard to talk and do this at the same time. Like that. And I'm going to just push the colour in a little bit towards the centre of my lips. And then just push this colour. So it's a really nice sort of wine colour. And then I'm just going to press my lips together like that. I'm going to go in, do you remember I said Emmeline? I think I'm saying this right, God please. My pronunciation, I must have dyslexia or something because I can't pronounce anything properly. Emmeline, I'm sure it's Emmeline. So they have a lovely range of lipsticks, lip liners, gorgeous. But I mean, look at this. How fancy is this and how sparkly is this? And look at this, watch this bullet. Can't get more fancy than this, I tell you. Look at that. Let me just do this one more time just to show you. I mean, fancy lipsticks. This has got to be one of the most fancy that I've seen ever. Look. So it's the same company that I got my nail polish from. So this colour is called Cairo. So it's like a nice, sort of like a muted beigey, peachy colour. It's like a really nice muted tone. It's that one there. And I'm just going to put that on the centre of my lips. Like that. And it's quite a flat colour, so it's really matte. It's not a shiny gloss. And it just complements the wine colour on the outer corner really well. And while I'm putting the lippy on, I do like to press my lips together just to distribute the colour to my top lip. And then don't forget the centre of your lips, the fleshy bit. I'm going to pop a little bit of gloss, but I'm only going to keep it on the centre of my lips. I'm going to go back in with the lovely Pat's Claire Vinyl. Can't say this again. Vinyl. Anyway, whatever. Claire Gloss by Pat McGrath. Just put it on the centre of my lips. Like that. Just give my lips that fleshy, juicy pout. There you go. Perfect. That is my black owned beauty brand's makeup look complete. If you guys like my video, please do like and subscribe and comment below. Don't forget that bit. See you soon. Bye.